Alright, even though I'm sunburnt to shit, I'm going to wash Craig. Doodly doo, doodly doo, doodly doo. Okay, now I got it all cleaned off, soapy, everything. It's just dripping right now. I need to go get some towels, but next we're gonna dry this off, do the wheels, and we should be done. I don't do too much for it, but then we're gonna hop in and just vacuum out the inside, really, and that should be it. So what I got in here, I got the Meguiar wheel and tire shine. I got my little sponge I use for the shine up, and here's the shine up I got. Everything else in here is just extra glass cleaner, other tire stuff, brushes, and interior stuff. But we're gonna get to cleaning the wheels now. Get it. Alright, so all four wheels are done, all looking shiny, everything looks clean. I don't know if I'm gonna do the interior today. Probably not in the video, at least, just for sake of bumping the camera on everything. But everything looks solid, usually what it looks like. I would have gone over it twice with the spray shine, but whatever. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.